Hi, College Now and P-TECH instructors. I'm here to talk to you about the attendance tool. I've had a few people request information about using the attendance tool in D2L, so I'm going to show you how to set that up and use it. Before I proceed, I want to let you know, as a reminder, you are not required to keep attendance in D2L. There are two aspects of D2L that you must use if you are a concurrent enrollment instructor or a P-TECH instructor, and those two things are to upload a syllabus onto Content or overview. There's the overview part of course materials, and also the grade book, which you'll find under progress. Remember, and we are aware, and we've talked to your administrators, your principals, your counselors about this. We are aware that you need the grades recorded in whatever program the high school uses, Infinite Campus, for instance, because the high school wants record of the student's grade for high school credit portion of the course. But remember, the college requires the student's academic record in D2L as well, for the same reason that we need information about what the student earned for the grade for the college credit portion of the course. So make sure you set up your grade book and then upload that syllabus into D2L. If you would like to do attendance, I'm going to show you how to do that now. You first have to go to Course Administration. So give my computer a second to move to that next screen. And we're going to go down to Tools. So attendance is not automatically turned on inside of a D2L show. You have to go to Course Administration and Tools to turn it on. And when we arrive at the Tools page, you can see that you can go in and turn off lots of stuff. If you intend, turn on or off lots of stuff, lots of tools. If you intend to use D2L a little more this semester and there are certain things you don't want students to have access to, you can definitely turn some things off as well. But I'm going to click on the button to turn attendance on. You see it's telling me set status to on. That's all I have to do. Now I can go back. Just going to extend my viewing window a little bit. Now I can go back to progress. You know what? I'm going to go back to the home page first. I have a feeling that it has to reset by going to the home page. That link wasn't there initially. Now it should be under progress. Voila, there it is. You saw it without, now you see that it's added by going to that Course Administration and then Tools. And then once you click on attendance, we're going to set up a new attendance register. So I'm going to click on New Register. I usually just call mine Fall 2019 or whatever semester I'm in. I'm actually in one of my live D2L course sections. I teach a Saturday class this semester and I haven't filled this one out. So I'll just put a quick description. Okay, and click save in a minute. I'm not going to change this. I just want the system scheme. And I want to be alerted at 75%. So what this means is that the system is going to tell me when students have missed 75% of the course days. And then I will be able to email the student and say, what's up? And then it alerted me that I didn't enter my dates. So I'm going to put my first day of class is 8/17. And I'll go back and add these later, but I'm just going to do the first 3 days so you guys can see. I think the system requires dashes. I'm sorry, hyphens, not the slash. Oops, that was supposed to be 8. Okay, and then I can change the order if I want. I can put the name of the session description, but I'm not going to do that. I can also add, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then I can go back and add. So we have 15 weeks, that's 30 class periods, except I'm a Saturday class, so I'm only going to have 15 class periods, and I have 3, so I can go back and add 12 more, add those. And I won't go in and fill all those in, obviously. I just wanted to show you how to do the setup for this. And hopefully it will let me close what I've done without adding those other dates in, and I think it's going to, so that's awesome. All right, so now I have my Fall 2019 register completed. If I need to edit, I can click here and edit the register, which I'm going to want to do, right? I'm going to go back and add all my other dates, which I'm not doing at this moment. You see it's recorded the 75%. It's going to alert me when a student has missed class after that percentage point, and then I've entered 3 sessions so far. And then when I want to enter attendance, I actually click on the link for the name of the attendance register. And you'll see that, okay, I have some real students in here, so I'm going to kind of hide that. But you'll see that one student's still showing. But you see here that the dates that I've entered are there. The other 12 are not currently present. And when I'm ready to enter attendance, I can click on that little calendar icon, and it's going to take me into a spreadsheet looking thing where I can then choose to show present or absent. And those are the only options, present or absent. You can't do late or anything like that. So I'm just going to close that very quickly. I usually just take note of who is late in the grade book. You know, if they've missed the beginning of the class period assignment, I can let them know they got 0 for being late because they weren't in class to complete that assignment, etc. But that's how you set up the attendance register. And I think you can even edit from here, edit register from there. So you can do it at the top of the page. I'm still inside the register, that's why. Okay, so again, that was course admin, manage tools, turn the attendance tool on, go back to the home page by clicking the link at the top, refresh the changes you've made, and then you'll find attendance register underneath progress. And you can set that up, and every time you have class, you can enter whether the student was present or absent. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon and evening. Thanks.